first I'm just going to open up the CS1.UCC server on the putty. Just going to log on my username and my password here, and I'm just going to have it set up so that I'm going to play the blackjack game. Oh, sorry, the rock paper scissors game first. So I'm just going to navigate through the cs1.ucc.ie server, and I'm going to find the jar file I have placed up there. Now this jar file, when it runs, it will listen out for the clients, and when the clients make requests, it will connect and will know what to do. And basically the jar file is what connects the two clients and makes the multiplayer game possible. So I'm just going to navigate to the right folder now. So this x socket server underscore rps.jar is the file I'm looking for, and I'm just going to launch it using the command java -jar and then the name of the jar file. And that'll launch the jar file. Now I'm just connecting them, and I have my two clients open, and I'm going to just enter the names and play the game. And as you see in the putty with all the traces that are coming out, is looking for a request for a client to play the game with them when you first sign up. So I'm just going to pick rock for one and paper for another, and it just returns the winner of the game and the loser of the game. So we just play again, so you get the notification that they want to play again, and we do the same thing. And I'll just do play again and again. One more time. Well, that's just checking the scores. Do it again, and you just see it on the side, the trace is just, that's all the information that's going to and coming from the server and the clients. So I'll just play one more game, and this time I'll pick the same option for both, and it'll draw, but it just comes up as they both lose. So now I'll just go and I'll set up the blackjack game to be played next, and I'll just skip ahead in the video. So now I've got the blackjack game set up, and I'm ready to launch my jar file. So I'll just launch up my client, and I'll enter a name. I'm going to write John, enter, and I'll just pick 4 players, and then I'll launch up the 3 other clients to play the game with John. So I'll put in Sabine and Frank, and as you see, like as I'm putting in these names, you can see the traces coming out off the server, which are just assigning each person a position in the game as they connect. So finally Dave, and now we have 4 players. So basically each player takes their turn in the right order. So John, who was number 1, gets to go first. Then as I stick, it goes to Sabine, and Sabine can just, as you see there, Sabine, as the numbers come down, they're generated as cards on the screen, and then it's calculated what their score is. Now stick with Sabine again. So then you go to Frank, and Frank, I'll just show you here now, Frank will just hit, and I won't actually press stick, so then that's basically it. So then I'll just exit all these out, and it shows that when you close them all, the server automatically shuts down.